Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure Pokémon Go is updated and your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Once done, open the app and tap Sign In. Choose Google when the option appears. You do this now because the game will call the Google account selector immediately, and having credentials ready speeds things up. If you use two-step verification, keep your second factor nearby. You will need it when Google prompts for confirmation. You now pick the Google account to link. If the right account isn't listed, tap Use another account and sign in. Once you select it, Google will show a permission screen. Make sure to review why Pokémon Go requests access to your basic profile and email. Accepting these permissions lets the game create your trainer profile. If Google asks for verification, enter your password or type the two-step code. This step protects your account and confirms it's really you. You finish by completing Pokémon Go's onboarding screens and confirming your trainer name. The game will sync your account and load nearby content. If you hit an error, make sure your Google account is active and not blocked. Then try clearing app cache, force stopping the app, or reinstalling it. If two-step verification prevents sign-in, use backup codes or open your Authenticator app to get a code. This resolves most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.